In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and run Clawdbot from GitHub for your Discord server and keep it online 24/7. First, head over to GitHub. You can search for Clawdbot using the search bar or open the direct repository link if it was shared by the developer. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct repository before you proceed, so you're working with the intended code. Now let's get the code onto your machine. The recommended method is to clone it with Git. Open your terminal, command prompt, or PowerShell on Windows, terminal on Mac OS or Linux, and run git clone your Clawdbot repo link. Remember to replace the placeholder with the actual repository URL. When that finishes, move into the project folder with cd Clawdbot. If you'd rather not use Git, download the zip from the code button on GitHub, extract it, then open a terminal in the extracted folder and run cd Clawdbot so you're inside the project directory. Before installing anything, make sure you have the requirements. You'll need Node.js, LTS, and Git installed, and you should have your Discord bot token ready from the Discord developer portal. You can quickly check versions with Node-v and Git pop version. If a command isn't recognized, install the missing tool, then return to the Clawdbot folder in your terminal. Next, install the project dependencies by running npm install. This fetches everything the bot needs. It can take a minute or two, depending on your connection. If you see errors about missing modules later, simply rerun npm install. With dependencies set, add your bot token. You can store it in an environment file or a JSON config file, depending on the project. To use an .env file, open it with nano.env. To use a JSON config, open nanoconfig.json. Paste your Discord bot token in the correct place as the project expects. Refer to the repository's README for the exact format. Then save and close. In Nano, you can press Ctrl-O to write, Enter to confirm, and Ctrl-X to exit. Keep your token secret at all times. You're ready to start Clawdbot. In the same terminal, run nodeindex.js. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see logs indicating the bot is running, and in Discord, your bot status should show as online. If you want the bot running continuously, use PM2. Install it globally with npm install pm2.g. Start the app with pm2 start index.js. Name Clawdbot, then run pm2 save and pm2 startup so it restarts on boot. That's it. Clawdbot is now up and running and ready to serve your server around the clock.